Hey guys, in this video we are going to see what is NAT or the network address translation. So let's just assume that we have a computer, right? And we want to access the internet, and in between there sits our ISP or the router, right? So this is the router, and we have to access the global internet, that is the public internet. So for reaching from here to here, what we do, we need public IP address, right? So for accessing the public internet, we need the public IP addresses, but public IP addresses are limited, right? We have 4 plus, like 4 billion plus IP addresses, that is IPv4. So we have like only this much IP addresses, and we have much more devices, like we have computer, we have like phone, we have servers, right? So to solve this problem of IP addresses, what we do, we implement NAT. So what NAT does, like it assigns, like your router assigns private IP addresses to your local machines. Like if you have a computer, or if you have a phone, or if you have a server, they are assigned private IP addresses, and you can check your private IP addresses by ipconfig in Windows command line, or ifconfig in your Linux command line. So you can check there that it starts with 192.168.1 point something something. So this private IP address is converted into public IP address with the help of NAT, that is NAT. And this public IP address could be 12.1.1.1 something. So NAT, basically what NAT does is converts your private IP into public IP, so that you can access the internet seamlessly. And it does opposite also. Like if we have any request right here, like uh, if a if a response or request comes from like public IP, so what it does, NAT converts it into public IP and sends the request or response to the port of the device that has asked for the request of the response. So now that was the whole point of NAT. Like it converts your private IP into public IP, or the public IP into the private IP, so that there won't be any discrepancy between them. Also, to solve this problem of NAT, we have IPv6, like but currently we don't use it. Like it has too many addresses, but in future we will be able to use it, I think. And it also has some flaws, so we don't use it, and we will discuss about the IPv6 in any other lecture. So that was a whole what NAT does and what it is. And if this video helped you, you can like it and subscribe to my channel.